Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to stake Delegate Tezos using Kukai Wallet on laptop. Tezos is a proof of stake blockchain, which means you don't need expensive hardware or to lock your funds to earn our rewards. Instead, you delegate your Tezos XTZ to a beaker using Kukai Wallet on a laptop. You can delegate your XTZ in just a few minutes with keeping full control of your funds, and your coin never leave your wallet. So first, open any of the web browser on your laptop, Chrome, Edge, Firefox recommended, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down wallet.kukaiapp.com and enter it. And once you reach into this interface, you can log into your Google, Twitter, Reddit as well. And once logged in, you'll see this wallet dashboard showing your XTZ balance over here. And ensure you have some Tezos XTZ in your wallet. Also keep a small extra amount of XTZ, usually less than 0.01 XTZ for the network delegation fee. And over here in the top, we can see there's an option for the delegating that says not delegated. Select with this here. You can simply select stake. Over here you can select connect, and that is it. You can confirm your wallet, show your delegated status, your XTZ now logged. You can send or unstake it anytime. Rewards do not start immediately. Tezos rewards usually begin after 2 or 3 cycles, about 5 to 7 weeks. And that is it. You keep. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.